I don't know what you guys called it growing up. My family, we would call it chainsaw euphoria, and it's a state of being, a state of higher being that very few people can actually achieve that higher state, and it may be truly the highest state of being, the highest state of consciousness. Well, more like the highest state of unconsciousness, subconsciousness, that you're out there and you become one with the chainsaw. You are the saw. You are the destructor. You are the creator. And I'm going to take this saw here. I'm going to trim some trees up. And as always, safety first. I've got my tissue in my ears. I got an extra layer of pants on, just to make it difficult when they're trying to operate on my partially severed leg. They've got extra clothing to take off. I did put on clean underwear, so if I do end up in the ER, that at least I've got a clean set of drawers on. But people usually turn these video recording devices on so that they can capture themselves doing something stupid. I hope to avoid that.